Hey guys, it's Wolf here. So in this video we're going to talk about how to make a crypto investing strategy for 2022 bear market. And so in this video I'm going to talk about like what I'm doing, and I'm also talking about like some other things. So let's just start this off by saying that it all depends on your situation. So for example, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm the investment advisor, but I have like studied is that, for example, if you are like 50 years old or 60 years old, you want less risk. Okay, because you can't afford to lose money because you don't have you don't have that much time. Okay, but however, like, nobody knows how much time each one of us has left, so it's just like in general, like the probability for it is just it's all about probabilities anyway. Yeah, so however, if you're like, but if you're in your 20s, I mean, what I have learned from the biggest brain people and the biggest like billionaires is just like try stuff. Like, the more you can try stuff in your 20s, the better, because you don't have family, or well, you of course you have family, but you don't have your own family, meaning like you don't have your own, probably your own kids, and so much responsibilities and stuff like that. You don't have to cover your car payments and stuff like that, your house. So you can just like do a lot of stuff. So so I'm in my 20s here. I mean, I started, I have just tried all of different, like I have tried a lot of different stuff. But the key point here is that you want to, by the way, you want to move fast. So you want to basically fail fast. It's not a lot, like 99% of things that one will try in the 20s like will not work, but the 1% that works, it will make you rich for life. So it's totally worth it. So basically just try stuff. And by the way, I did that, and the best method I have found so far is this to make money, and this is the best investment strategy for 2022 bear market right now. And so last year I turned $500 into over $300,000. And I have been in crypto since 2017, so it took me literally 5 years to learn this method, and I'm going to share it with you right now in this video for free. So you're very lucky to come across this video, because I wish that I would have learned this. I wish I should watch it like a 10-minute YouTube video and learn this, but I know I had to go through 5 years of pain and misery to understand this. Okay, so basically what you want to do is you want to understand that this market cycle. So we have bear market and then bull market, then bear market and then bull market, then bear market and then bull market, then bear market and then bull market. So right now we are in the bear market, but if you see the cycle here, so we are going to have a bear market and then bull market. So it's just going to repeat. Okay, so with that being said, you just want to build a list of tokens, so what you are going to invest into, and then you want to dollar cost averaging in this bear market like this. Okay, so you can see, for example, here right now, so this was the highs and now we are at the lows. So this is the highs and now we are at the lows, and I have started the dollar cost averaging. You just simply dollar cost averaging for every month here for the next 12 months. You take your, let's say that you want to invest 10k, you divide that by 12, and in whatever that is. Okay, I'm not that great at math, so let's just do that. So it's going to be well, it's going to be 830 bucks a month for the next 12 months, and then you are buying with $800 every single month for the next 12 months, and in the next bull run, sell that for profit. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to become a multimillionaire in the next bull run. And if you want to see like what I'm doing and learn more about the strategy and step by step on how I'm doing it, check out the golden portfolio membership, the first thing in the description. This is the best opportunity right now. I'm telling you, this is absolutely the best opportunity right now. All of the big brain people that I follow do the same thing. I have my own special twist. I have my own portfolio that I'm sharing with you, but just know that all I do is cryptocurrency research. When I wake up, I read about crypto, and the first thing I do, I just start learning more about crypto and looking at what's happening with the markets and researching for opportunities. And that's what I've been doing for a while, so for years. So that's why I last bull run I turned $500 into over $300,000. And by the way, here in this bear market, I couldn't buy anything because I was broke. So the one mistake a lot of people do in bear market is they go broke. You want to get a cash flow and start buying tokens for the next bull run. Okay, that's absolutely huge. So anyway, this was the quick video. Thank you so much for watching. See you at the golden portfolio membership, and peace out. Thank you so much.